Today is my 311th consecutive day going in the ocean. It is Friday, March 19th, just about 11:45. I got a little busy this morning, so didn't get in before the wind. Right now we have about 64 degrees according to the weather app, but the wind is coming directly off the ocean about, probably 11 to 14 miles an hour, so sending a good little chill wind here. It feels about 58 or 59 degrees realistically. Water temps still a little on the cool side. Ocean's super clear and beautiful. Pretty choppy right now. Currents are going all over the place. But what the heck? Life is good, and I'm going in. Got a few people down here on the beach, a couple surfers out, not too many. But hey, life's good. It's time to get in the water. Feels great. See ya.